Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Swanky Snacks. I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be collecting from my vending machine business. This is going to be my first collection of the new year. I am excited to show you guys how the machines have been doing since the end of 2024 going into 2025. So this is for 20 days into January. If you guys like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and come with me on the journey. All right, let's go to the first location. Let's go. All right, first off, we're making a quick stop at Old Reliable, Sam's Club. Just picking up a few things, getting some snacks. Got a lot of drinks in the car. Candy is getting crazy pricey, guys. Prices might be going up, but we'll see for now. Still got some normal deals, like these are $30. Or look at Twix, $40 for a 36 pack.
And inflation is crazy. It just doesn't stop, man. Everything is so expensive.
Bought these for $47. These for $30. $29 to be specific. Chips are always a great deal though. $15 for a 42 pack. Some for $1 each. Almost tripling your money. Flamin' Hot Cheetos are about $18, I believe. $18.98. Some for $1.25. About doubling your money. These are on the cheaper side. I'm gonna try them though, they're brand new. Some for $1. And here's me trying to get a wonderful shot of me strolling down the alley, or the aisle. And here's this guy ruining it. He just had to stop. Cut that. But either way, we spent $382.39.
All right. Car's all packed up. Just a few things in the back seat. All right, let's go knock out this location, guys. All right, we are here. Let's get this stuff out and let's go fill up this machine, guys.
So if you're curious, it is -2 where I am at right now. Very cold.
Look at the icicles. It's actually really cool.
So we're at the first location, and this is upon arrival. It's been about 2 weeks since last time I've been here, and the top shelf hasn't really been selling a whole lot. Middle shelf's been okay, but the drinks are usually a lot gone. So we're gonna be placing a lot of new stuff, and bam, that's all it took. 1 second. But we're trying out some new things up top. Trying out some different things in the middle and different drinks in the bottom. Either way, this machine is complete.
How much this place is made for the beginning of the year.
So at my first location, it brought in $55 in cash. $91.25 in credit card readers, bringing the total to $146.25.
I like to collect those. All right, we are all done with this location, guys. Now let's head to the next one. Let's go.
All right, we are at our second location. This is the new location. If you guys haven't seen that video, here's a link in the description to it in the bottom.
The most recent location now, and I just was here a couple days ago. Look at this. A couple items already gone. That's what we like to see. Machine. Still got sun chips. Good thing I got the hot stuff. That's okay. Let's go.
I thought this was really cool last time, so here's me doing the drink machine in less than 5 seconds.
Not as heavy, but I'm not too concerned. Now, it may look a little small, but this place is definitely more heavy on the credit cards. It's about maybe over 20 bucks there. But hey, cash is cash, right? And then the coins, again, I don't really collect those all the time. Show you though. It's actually a good amount in there. Not too bad though, but I'm gonna still just leave it in there. Same thing. Even smaller than the snack. And y'all even saw the drinks were gone. That might be 20 bucks exactly. So this is total. But I can tell you the credit cards did. So for the drink machine on the credit card reader, it made $206.50 for this year so far. And for credit cards on the snack machine has made $247.50. Now that is seriously almost more than 50-60% on credit card sales on these machines. So it just shows how important it is to make sure you have credit card readers. What? Yeah! Oh, that felt good.
For my next location, the first machine total for cash, it brought in $101. And for credit card readers, it did $309.25. That's crazy.
Collect up here. Collect it about every month. Check out the other machine.
The second machine, though, it did $70 in cash and $91.75 in credit card readers. There is the snack machine, and the drink machine just needed a restock on the Gatorades. So I filled the Gatorades up, and now the drink machine is all full. Time to collect the cash. Now for my last location, it made $197 in cash, and it made $401 in credit card readers. total for cash to $461, and for credit card sales, $1,347.25, bringing my total to $1,808.25 for the first 2.5 weeks of January 2025. Doing good so far. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.